Welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to go over the service request list page. This page is action-packed with lots of information about your service facility and can be fine-tuned to better serve you and your needs. On the top right, you'll notice that you can export your service request list. This allows you to take your entire list of open and/or completed and paid service requests and export it into a usable CSV file that you can then manipulate in Excel to help you get the most out of our workflow within CAR. So you'll notice you have search filters. In the search filter, you can search by business name, customer email, customer name, account name, license plate, parts, request ID, title, vehicle, VIN, unit number, created by, generic jobs, assigned to, and service notes. We break down every aspect of the service request and allow you to search so you can find what you're looking for. Next to the search by box, you'll see search keyword where you can input the search term that best suits your search. You can also search by scheduled date, enter a date range, needed by, status, and job status. Additionally, if you utilize on the lot, waiting for parts, and have accountant verified, you can also search and apply for these labels as you need. Scrolling down on the top left, you'll notice a note in red that says this list excludes completed service requests. This allows you to only focus on open service requests. Should you want to see every service request, simply click this message. The screen will refresh and you will now see completed and paid service requests. Clicking it again will omit them from view. On the right-hand side, you will notice the job board icon. If you click this, you can go directly into the job board, your job queue, or on the lot. You also have options for the service request list display. You can omit or show as much information as you would like to help you navigate as best possible. Always know that every action for every service request is available from the action menu. Here you can pause timers, edit, view, fill recommendation, and much more. Here you'll notice that we have a timer. This is indicating that I have a timer running in this service request. If there was other employees, you would also see timers with their initials next to them. On the bottom of the service request list page, you will see all of our statuses in the colors that they represent. This is how you can navigate the different colors by looking at the service request list page. Thank you for watching this edition of Car Training. We'll catch you on the next one.